Hello everyone, and my name is, as you can see on the screen, because I don't know how to pronounce it. And this is Monster Hunter World Iceborn Beta. I've been waiting for this, even though it's beta. Well, I I don't know what to say anymore. Let's get started. You can outside, so if you cannot play the time. F you. So what am I gonna do? Nothing I can do. Okay. Alright, see ya on 6 p.m. I guess. What is up, guys? Now I'm back. Right now it's 9:58 p.m. Damn, I should play this 6. Oh well. So, what should we do? Online or single? I think it's better to play single first. Play that while graphing. Ah, okay. Okay. Let's just choose this guy. Enter your name. Well, something like this. There you go. Yes, Kokoto Village. Here I go. Let's choose this one. What it goes name? Um. Begin. Alright. Yes. It's not like I can save it. This is Monster Hunter World Beta. Time exclusive. I can only play it around 4 times. Not 4 days. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's see. Beginner, intermediate, expert. Okay. We got Tigrex, Bambaru, Great Jagras. Let's go with Great Jagras first. Accept this quest. Yes. Beta available until 6:24. I I don't understand. Okay. Let's see. Equipment. Equipment request. Alright. Oh, okay. Now my mental can be upgraded. Oh, come on! I'm a bow user. Give me bow. Dragon Seed and bow. What the heck? Dragon 400. Oh, that looks nice. Speed Heal Charm. What the heck is that? Enhanced recovery speed, offensive guard skill, special armor boost, aquatic, ice resistant, guard skill, wide range, elemental, conceal you from enemy view temporarily. Oh, this thing, glider, challenger, rocksteady, ice boost, health booster, equipment box. Just use the default. Body for equipment, what you got there? What the heck is this? A skateboard. Okay. Got. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, well, we're gonna go with something new? No. Let's go with depart. Depart. Let's go! Okay,
We've received eyewitness reports of our target, the Great Jagras, roaming around these parts. So
okay.
Let's get right to it. Open up your map.
Okay. I know how to open my map, alright.
This here is our current location.
Okay.
After a feast, the Great Jagras can be found waddling back to its nest, scraping its big belly along the ground. Try heading over to this area here and search for any clues it may have left behind. Once you've tracked it down, go and put a 3-star hurtin' on it. Oh, and one more thing. You're being timed.
Let's see if I get this right. This is
the bow is a ranged weapon you can charge. Focus on your distance while loosing arrows. We've got some new combos for each weapon at your disposal now.
Okay.
So make sure to check your hunter notes. You can switch to your slinger while aiming your weapon.
What the heck? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Can I change my controller for a sec? I don't think I can. Option. Switchboard control. Switchboard L1 and L2. Switch only L1, L2. This one. Ah, all time. View mode. What the heck? Oh. Okay, okay. Understand. But this is target. This is attack. Oh, this is something that thing. The new thing! Reloading! Let's go.
The scout flies have found something. Go get a closer look. Great! The scout flies have locked onto the scent of the monster. Be on the lookout for more tracks or traces. The scout flies have picked up the monster's trail. Follow the green light they leave behind.
Okay, I understand. This is
if you follow the scout flies to your target, you'll locate it in no time.
I'm not gonna be in no place. Okay, okay, I understand. Oh well, let's see. There's something new here.
You're less likely to lose sight of a monster if you use the focus camera. Okay, you know what you have to do. Get in there and do your stuff.
I'm not gonna use a focus camera. Let's go, Jagras. You and me.
The scout flies will hide once the fight breaks out. Don't forget that.
Oh, hard doing. I'm gonna try this one. Oh.
Land your claw on a monster to grapple to it. You can move around while grappled to a monster, but you'll burn through your stamina.
Really?
Dodge their attacks. You don't want to take hits like that head on. Sending a monster flying into a wall will leave it wide open to attack. You need to load the slinger with some ammo. See anything useful lying around? This This should work as slinger ammo. You can use it to hit things that are far away. That's a piercing pod, a powerful type of slinger ammo. It makes it easier to target obscured weak points.
Pro attack, quick start, move, attack. I'm learning.
Hit it with your claw. The spot you hit has been softened up.
So stylish. Oh, there's an indicator there. Got it. Oh,
Watch out when a monster's in range. It's better to hold off on your claw until things calm down a bit.
not really.
Oh boy, that monster's really mad now.
No.
Look out, your health is low. Keep your distance and use a potion.
Here it is. Alright. Oh, come
The monster
on.
is on the move. Use the scout flies as a guide as you go after it. You can use jump attacks to mount monsters.
Do I need to? Do I need to?
The monster's been immobilized. Now's your chance.
There. Like that.
Oh boy, that monster's really mad now. Be ready for some vicious attacks.
Oh, I can hear the thing. I don't remember beating this guy. So takes a long time. How? What's that? Where are you going?
Never underestimate an angry monster. Keep your distance and watch for a safe opening.
Where is that thing? Come on, come on. Come on there. Use. What was that?
Look, the monster's almost done for. Chances are it'll retreat to its nest to recuperate.
Oh no, wait. Come on. Take that. Very good. What the heck is that? Whoa! I don't understand. It's good. Very good.
Alright, you completed the quest! Congrats!
I got something new! Bears, are you bears? Oh, there's something new. Shot. Okay. Okay. Oof. 1,000 years of death!
Nothing can stop us.
Completing Great Jagras has been unused. Great Jagras hunt competition pack. The item focus on your health. You can claim and return visual victim. Oh! Use the white call to wipe small monster. You can check out the white call to check out the world spawn. The world Iceborn available September 6, 2019. Pre-order now. I'm not gonna be ordered.